Welcome to Forestry Machines. In today's video, we will continue to explore the most modern firewood processing machines with cutting-edge technology and unique homemade machines with never-before-seen designs. From firewoods flowing like a stream to the satisfying cracking sounds of wood splitting, peak performance demonstrations are waiting for you. Are you ready? Let's start now. Wow, the way this machine splits wood is truly special. The splitting wedge acts like a large sharp tooth, performing two tasks simultaneously: cutting and splitting into pieces of firewood. This method proves effective with quite a fast cutting and splitting speed. The operator can hold the log and feed it into the cutting mouth or slide it on the push rack to feed the log in. Very convenient. Wow, this machine looks like an alien machine. This is a 3-horsepower engine from 1939. Very impressive, isn't it? Nevertheless, this engine still provides enough speed and power for this large cutting disc, creating a formidable homemade cutter for its owner. Wow, this machine, nicknamed the Death Spin, is demonstrating its wood splitting efficiency through the skilled hands of this man. Each rotation brings the splitting wedge down with tremendous force onto the surface of the log, causing it to split in half instantly. It even makes the log bounce up, creating a risk for the operator. It would be much better if there was an additional shield for occupational safety. But with these skilled hands, everything is still going smoothly. Wow, let me introduce you to this amazing automatic wood splitting machine. The logs are stacked vertically in two large tubes and use gravity to move these logs into cutting and splitting position. The special feature is utilizing the two-way motion of the piston to avoid dead time. Efficiency aside, the unique design of this wood splitter truly makes an impression on viewers. Two sets of pistons and splitting wedges operating in parallel help this log splitter significantly increase efficiency. This is a very impressive design, with an interesting switching mode and wood splitting distribution. The smart and unique design helps divide the logs after cutting into appropriate cutting compartments. Wow, let me introduce you to an unstoppable power from this unique log splitter machine. The giant sharp blade ensures each log is cut and split on the spot according to its rhythm. The power from the tractor engine ensures all tasks are performed smoothly. The cutting and splitting speed is quite fast. This is a miniature log splitting factory, not just an ordinary log splitter. An impressive tree cutting speed is taking place here. The vertical saw blade rotates at a dizzying speed, making cutting these logs as simple as child's play. However, operating this type of machine requires skill and intense concentration to ensure the safety of the operator. The high speed of the sharp cutting blade is a risk worth noting. The Multitech 2040 XP2 is an impressive machine in the wood industry. It has the ability to process the most twisted and complex logs. With its innovative design, the machine sets new standards for speed and durability. This is the top choice for professionals. The pieces of wood are split incredibly simply, you see. Just a moderate pushing force to bring the log to the wood-splitting drill bit, and this drill bit will do the rest of the work. The drill bit rotates at high speed, creating a very large torque. Along with the friction force that this drill bit exerts on the log, has created a truly impressive wood-splitting method. The log is pulled back towards the drill bit and split apart in an instant. This is a very simple design, but gives surprisingly effective results. Introducing this impressive homemade log splitter. This is a hydraulic machine, so its splitting force is very large. With a special wedge frame, this machine produces 14 pieces of firewood in one pass, and it can accommodate various wood sizes. Quite impressive. The design of the wedge frame looks quite complex with different sizes. This ensures splitting logs into desired small pieces. Large logs will be split again for a second pass after the first round. The seemingly endless pile of long firewood will no longer be a major challenge with this impressive automatic cutting machine. Each back and forth motion of the support frame will feed the long wood piece into the high-speed cutting disc, resulting in evenly cut wood chunks immediately after each cutting cycle. This machine provides a very smart and convenient wood splitting solution. The machine is compact but has impressive power, plus a design that ensures maximum safety for users. This is a reliable choice for any need. The dual handles make it very convenient to cut logs. The logs are easily split into 2 to 4 pieces with great force from the piston. The special feature is the portable design that makes this machine truly worthwhile. Wow, this is a highly unique combination of a cutting machine and a wood splitter. We've seen this cutting machine many times before, but this is the first time it's been combined with the wood splitting process. The log is placed on a stand and fed into the large cutting disc to be cut into sections. After cutting, the automatic splitting system activates, pushing the log sections into a fixed splitting wedge. The resulting firewood pieces are then continuously transported to the truck bed by a conveyor belt. It's quite impressive to see this combination. The operation of cutting and splitting wood is incredibly smooth and seamless, making this task more appealing than ever before. With its intelligent control levers, this machine helps operators achieve formidable wood splitting productivity. Splitting these large birch logs with a homemade log splitter like this will truly make those involved cheer. It's quite challenging with particularly large logs, but seeing the result of beautiful firewood pieces makes this work really worthwhile. Each rhythmic rotation carries a tremendous splitting force, cleaving every log placed in the path of the splitting wedge. This is an extremely optimized wood splitter model in terms of both wood splitting capability and minimizing the workload for the operator. Not much needs to be done. Just place the logs in position and wait for the wedge to rotate through. This design also allows the operator to choose the appropriate cutting point for each piece of wood, creating flexibility and precision for this machine. Rhythmic and precise, this homemade wood splitter is proving itself worthy of its owner's expectations. The integration of a control lever for the cutting and splitting process makes operating the machine extremely simple. The wood placement rack with rollers also plays a significant role in optimizing operation, contributing to the high productivity of this machine. Compact design but integrating all the features of a modern wood splitter, this machine will satisfy any owner. The chainsaw is used as a cutting machine to reduce costs for those who already have this machine. This is a mobile device with a trailer hitch for convenient transportation to work anywhere. Whether splitting wood for family use or providing firewood services, this machine is a worthy option to consider. Efficiently cutting medium and small logs? No problem, this homemade log splitter is a great solution for this task. This talented man has now built it and made it an essential component in his warehouse. This is a homemade log splitter, but very modern and powerful. It has a hydraulic pusher that helps lift large and heavy logs from the ground onto the conveyor. After pushing into position, the log will be cut into sections and split into 6 pieces of firewood as desired in a very neat manner. With 2 wood clamps in a convenient position for hand control, the splitting wedge moving up and down, controlled by levers on both sides. This wood splitting machine helps the operator precisely process wood pieces according to their wishes. The speed is not high, but the large pushing force allows this compact machine to handle various types of wood in many sizes with extreme flexibility. This is a considerable option for the backyard to prepare firewood for the whole family. Cutting wood has now become simpler than ever with modern machines like this. The open design allows for the utilization of engines from external machines such as tractors. The large high-speed cutting disc ensures cutting all types of wood in seconds. The wood pieces, immediately after cutting, are transported to the truck bed by a conveyor belt. This also creates a highlight for the machine due to its convenience. The steady and continuous translational motion of the pusher has created excellent wood splitting efficiency for this automatic wood splitter. Just start the machine and keep feeding logs into the wood splitter, and you're done. This is a very optimized design in terms of efficiency, allowing the operator to focus entirely on splitting wood without having to worry about controlling the machine anymore. Quite impressive, isn't it? Want to see more interesting content like this? Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our amazing community. See you in the next video.